Now, here's your Farm and Ranch Report from the Northern Ag Network.
Hello everyone, it's time for today's Farm and Ranch News. With the beef complex rallying $30 in the last 5 weeks, much larger than normal in fact, the market is experiencing the best of the fundamental seasonal factors that normally line up with the spring highs. For the producers who operate feed yards, right now is the best time they've seen in almost 2 years. I spoke with my friend Joel Weber with Weber Feed Yards from southeast Nebraska on the current uptick in prices.
You know, right now, the thing that is so encouraging for me is how current the feed yards are staying. Just speaking for my own yard, I'm pulling cattle next week that typically would go around the 15th of April. So, you know, a good 3 weeks ahead. With this basis that we're selling into, it's been very advantageous for the people like myself that are hedgers. We have had a very open winter in southeast Nebraska. We really haven't had any measurable moisture to speak of for going on 2 months. Our yards are completely dry and very fortunate to see some good gains and some good profitability here.
And those profits in southeast Nebraska, where Joel's located, is anywhere from $100 to $150 per head. And that is unique because northeast and northwest Nebraska experienced a very rough winter, so their profits may not be as large as southeast Nebraska. But one thing to note, coming up in May and June with the additional 700,000 head of placements from November to January, and the July-August outlook has supplies being projected to be above year-ago levels through the summer, testing packing capacity, having an overall impact on the profitabilities for the feed yards.
But I do think that staying current is going to take some carcass weights, some meat off of the market, and that keeping everybody current is going to be the key to maintaining this rally. As we get into a lot heavier load of numbers on into June and July. But if we would get backed up on cattle, I think we could see a disastrous market come summertime.
And as our friends at Cattle Facts are predicting, beef supplies are projected to be above year-ago levels through summer, testing packing capacity. Seasonally, beef usage slows through the summer, and the increasing supplies of all animal proteins will keep a lid on values. Now these messages.